Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. You've probably noticed your cute cat suddenly sneezing, and you smile or ignore it, thinking it's normal. But have you ever wondered if your little kitty's sneeze is just a sneeze, or a sign of a bigger health issue? Our cats can't talk and tell us what's wrong, so as cat owners, it's our job to understand the reason behind their sneezing. Cat sneezing isn't always normal. Sometimes it's just dust, but sometimes it's a sign of a dangerous virus. In today's video, I'll tell you the reasons why a cat might be sneezing and how you can treat it. There are many reasons for cat sneezing, some minor and some that require a vet. Cats are very sensitive, like humans, and they like to be clean. Their noses are very sensitive. Dust, strong perfumes, incense smoke, cigarette smoke, or cleaning sprays can irritate their noses and cause them to sneeze. Sometimes a new item in the house can cause allergies, like a new plant. The cat starts sneezing. These sneezes happen at specific times or in specific places, like when you're using perfume and your cat is in the room, or when you're cleaning and dust particles cause them to sneeze. These sneezes are temporary and go away on their own. A foreign object stuck in the nose, sometimes while playing or sniffing, a small object gets stuck in a cat's nose, like a blade of grass, thread, or a large particle of dirt. This causes the cat to start sneezing. It is nature's way of removing something from the nose with sneezes. She repeatedly rubs her nose with her paws, and as soon as the object is removed from her nose, her sneezing stops. A tooth or gum infection can also cause sneezing. It's surprising, but if a cat has a tooth infection, it can cause irritation in the nasal passage because the tooth roots are close to the nasal passage. Along with sneezing, there is a bad smell from the mouth and swelling on the face. If your cat also has the flu along with this sneezing, and there is discharge from its nose and eyes, it also has a fever, and the cat is very lethargic and eating less, then the reason is feline upper respiratory tract infection. It's like the flu in humans. It can be caused by herpes virus or calicivirus. It can be caused by any viral infection. For this, you should immediately contact a good veterinary doctor and get it treated. Sometimes the flu in cats can also be caused by a bacterial infection. Bacteria attack the cat's nose. There is a yellow or green discharge from the nose. There is a lot of sneezing. There may also be a fever, and water starts to come from the eyes. In this case, the doctor will give you an antibiotic. By taking a course of antibiotics, all these symptoms gradually disappear. Our cat cannot express its pain in words. A single sneeze can tell us their environment isn't right. Keep your home dust-free and clean often. Vaccinate your cat on time. Vaccines protect them from all viral infections. Watch for small changes. A little care can save them from big illnesses. Don't worry if your cat sneezes now and then. But if they have a flu with sneezing, are very lethargic, sleep a lot, aren't eating or drinking, have a fever or mouth sores, see a vet right away for treatment. Before the vet, try these steps. The best way is to take your cat to the bathroom. Turn on a hot shower to make steam. Once it's steamy, keep your cat in a carrier or your lap for 10 to 15 minutes. This will clear their nose and stop the sneezing. Keep their nose clean. If there's discharge, wipe it with a soft, damp cloth or cotton. This makes breathing easier. Don't let them sit on cold floors, as the cold can give them a chill and cause more sneezing. If you like the video, please like and share it. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get every informative video on time. Remember me in your prayers. Take good care with lots of prayers.